Hello viewers! Wondering how to stop feeling tired? What are the daily habits that drain your energy? Just keep watching to find out. Your thoughts and actions have a great impact on your energy. And if you feel a burnout at the end of each day, even when your day wasn't a stressful one, then there's something you're doing wrong. To help you save energy and become more productive, Silva Guide brings you 5 everyday habits that drain your energy. Will overstressing affect your daily motivation to carry out tasks? Wait, overthinking leaves you with low energy? We'll be talking about all these and more. But first, become intentional about your health today by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell to stay updated on our latest video. Number 1. Overstressing. Overstressing is one of the common bad habits that drains our energy. In fact, most of the burnout we feel comes from overstressing. If you really want to stop feeling tired all the time, you need to stop getting worried about the future or getting stuck in the past you cannot change. If you're wondering what drains your energy every day, these bad habits might be the reason for your lack of motivation. Number 2. Negativity. I know it's easier said than done, but with effective strategies, you can stop the bad habit of dwelling in negativity. It is toxic, not only to yourself, but also to the people around you. Negativity leaves you in low energy. This bad habit drains your energy by affecting your mental health and your inspiration to carry on with your daily tasks. It is like pulling up unfair judgmental behavior on yourself. Projecting behaviors like negative self-talk and constant complaints drain your energy and make you achieve less. Number 3. Overthinking. Do you find your thoughts wandering every day, exaggerating situations and fantasizing scenes yet to happen? That's a sign of overthinking. And trust me when I say this, bad habit drains your energy to the core. It leaves you exhausted. If you really want to stop being tired all the time, you need to stop overthinking. Instead, spend your time more on habits that change your life. Wait, what are the healthy habits for a better you? Journaling and exercise are good stress therapies. Include these good habits in your healthy routine and watch your life become more productive. Number 4. More or less sleep. The amount of sleep you get can either boost or drain your energy. Oh yes, sleep is a great rest to a healthy life, but sleeping too much, contrary to what you might think, leaves you tired and low in energy. Meanwhile, when you don't get enough sleep, your body is left with half your energy, and this is one of the common habits that drain your energy daily. To defeat fatigue and renew your mind and body, it's important to get 6 to 7 hours of sleep every day. Number 5. Poor diet. Do you know that binging on saturated fats and sugar have a significant impact on your energy level? A healthy diet is the perfect base for a stable energy level. Be thoughtful about your food options today. Eat food that gives you energy, like greens, lean protein, and healthy fats. Was this information helpful to you? Let us know in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, why not like, share, and subscribe to get more interesting videos like this one?